Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallet name on the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet on your device. And once it is opened, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So proceed with logging in using your credentials, which includes your secret recovery phrase. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page. Now from this page, you will be able to find your account at the top section. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see all of your accounts and wallets that have been connected to the Phantom application. Simply tap on the edit icon at the right side and now you will see the account name option. Simply go ahead and tap on it and now you will be allowed to edit the name for your account. Just go ahead and type in the name that you desire, and once you go back, your name will immediately be changed. You can come back to this menu anytime and tap on the edit button to change the name of your wallet as many times as you like. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on the Phantom Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.